Hello and welcome to my channel, Maryborn ND, and Gardening with Granny. This is a seed update. We started these seeds back in, well, it's still January, but January 15th, and I'm totally impressed. Um, I'm going to turn you down, the camera down so that you can see what I'm working with here. So these are the alfalfa seeds that we started, and look at them. So I'm going to be putting these on a meatloaf sandwich this afternoon, um, and enjoy them as alfalfa sprouts. Well, they're not alfalfa, but they're salad sprouts. The next one is calendula. Whoops, got it upside down, which is okay because what happened is the seed pod came off of the seedling, and that means that I can take this and plant this into soil, and this should develop into the plant itself. So this is basically the root part, and a lot of the root parts stuck to the paper towel. Some of them stuck to each other, and I'm afraid to injure it. So basically, I just want to very carefully try to pull it out of the paper towel because I don't think I want to plant the paper towel. But this one you can actually, I don't know if you can, yes, see the extra little hair roots that are coming off of this. There you go, this plant. So I'm very excited about that. I should have some good calendula plants from this. I think too, if I soak this with a little bit of water, they will release from the paper towel a little easier, maybe. No, it's still tugging. At any rate, this afternoon I'm going to have to be doing some planting. So these are the sweet peas. And they too are looking lovely. They have a lot more extended roots. So I would just go ahead and plant this whole part of it and let this green up. So I'll take you along. We'll do this together. Um, I have to get some soil, and then we can do this. See if my garden center has any soil yet. So this lupine or lupine or whatever. How cute. Well, we'll see if we can grow any lupine plants. I call it lupine. I know that there are a lot of people that say lupine, but pine is Pine, and you put lu in front of it, they got lupine. Well, these are the cup and saucer vine, and they are doing very well. Only the two germinated. The other two still haven't done anything. But I'm going to have to be very careful. I want to remove the pod when I go to plant these. So I'm just going to soak them, see if I can, if that helps release that pod. so that I can plant it, because this, there we go. So this part of it is the plant. And then the root is kind of stuck in the paper towel. And since this is so sensitive, what I might do is just cut around the paper towel and just plant the paper towel as well. See if we can slip this one off as easily. This one doesn't want to, the pod is still, there we go, yay. Okay, so I've got 2 cup and saucer vines that we're going to be planting. And this is Morning Glory. And I can't believe, look at, they're just like roaring to go here. Quite the growth on the Morning Glory. Really long. And they too have extended roots. Look at the length on this one. And you can see the little roots up here. So all of this will be going into soil, and we'll see if we get any plants out of that. Well, that's it. The lima beans didn't make it. They got all mildewy, moldy, so I had to throw them out. And last time we did a update, we could see the beginnings of that mold. So that's it for this portion of the video, and hopefully I will be able to get to the growing and putting in dirt portion. Well, you'll see it right after this, but hopefully for me, it will be this afternoon. So thank you for viewing this part of it, and please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it very much. Okay, it's time to check our Amaryllis and the picote. This is the second stalk, is looking very, very pretty. And then here we have Hercules, and it's living up to its name. It is gorgeous. It's not a Christmas red. It has a lot more blue in it than the Christmas red, but it too has a second bloom coming. Very excited. But this was the one that had the biggest bulb of the 3. And it looks like we're getting leaves on the first one that had bloomed. That was that double pink, very pretty one. So that's it for the Amaryllis update right now.